Hey friends! Today I found something amazing and kind of gross. In B&M right now they are selling I'm a Celebrity bugs, and so I have found salt and vinegar crickets, barbecue flavoured mealworms, and also milk chocolate with mealworms in it. And so I want to try some. I think I'm gonna go for the crickets first. Obviously, like, I've never had them before in my life. Look at them, there's so many. So although I have watched I'm a Celebrity for a long time and one has just fallen on the floor, and stuff like that. They smell, I can't smell the salt and vinegar, but they smell like pet shop, like animal food, because that's what they are, but just flavoured. Okay, I'm gonna try two. Bon appetit! To be honest, they aren't that great, but I didn't expect them to be great. They taste a bit like paper, and they're very, very salty, but I couldn't taste that much vinegar, to be honest. So I don't really rate those. I'm probably not gonna buy them again. Next, let's try the barbecue flavoured mealworms. Now this is quite a big packet. I'm gonna open it the same way and hope none go on the floor. Okay. Again, I'm gonna try two. Or more. Try two. Okay, these two are stuck together. Oh, they smell really barbecuey. It's the texture. Wow, that's smoky. Oh, it's very smoky. They're really small, so they're kind of like not that crunchy. And they aren't as nice as I thought they were going to be. That sounds strange. I didn't think they were going to be nice, but they are different. Oh my god. That is so misleading. There's only a handful of bugs on there unless they've been cooked into it. Yeah, it's a strange aftertaste. The aftertaste is really strange. Okay. Oh, Jesus. It's a bit hot because it's in the sun. Okay. Okay, let's go. Well, it's something new. I'm not gonna repeat it. Yeah, I don't really like any of these. I wasn't expecting to. Like, I didn't think I was going to like them, but that chocolate has a strange texture, and the bugs on top had a strange texture. But it's kind of nice milk chocolate. It tastes kind of like a cheap brand of milk chocolate rather than like a Cadbury's. It tastes like a cooking chocolate from Tesco's or something. But if you are adventurous and want to give them a go, you can get them from B&M, and I think they were all like 79p or something, so it's quite cheap. You do get a reasonable sized bag, but now I don't know what to do with them, so that's fun. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye friends!